Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS news for Tuesday, July 31. Prime Minister Andrew Wheatley is to meet this week with the enterprise team tasked with the divestment of the Riverton City landfill. The privatization of the landfill is being advanced in an effort to properly manage the site to, among other things, prevent illicit activities. Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie says over the next 2 days, the Prime Minister will be meeting with the enterprise team as well as the National Solid Waste Management Authority. Those meetings started earlier today. The enterprise team was named in October 2016 to identify a preferred waste management provider for the landfill.
Before the end of the week, there will be a major announcement as it relates to the Riverton City landfill.
Mr. Mackenzie made the statement yesterday at a press conference to update the nation on the recent fire at the waste disposal facility. Officials of the local government ministry, the NSWMA and the Jamaica Fire Brigade are collaborating to extinguish the fire, which broke out on Sunday, and eliminate the resulting smoke nuisance. Dr. Andrew Wheatley has stepped away from his portfolio responsibilities at the Ministry of Science and Technology with immediate effect. Dr. Wheatley submitted his letter of resignation to Prime Minister Andrew Wheatley yesterday. In it, he said the decision came after consultations with the Prime Minister and was to facilitate a general performance review of the board and executive levels of the ministry without his presence or ministerial authority. He says this is necessary to reassure the public that the highest standards of probity are being applied to the administration of the affairs of public bodies under the portfolios. In his letter, Dr. Wheatley asserted his commitment to good governance and upholding public trust, saying he would continue to exercise those principles in executing his parliamentary obligations. A fully digital patients' records and management system is now in place at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHWI. The Hospital Information Management System was launched on Friday, eliminating the paper-based filing system. Board Chairman James Moss Solomon says the technology is enabling a more efficient operation of the hospital and faster turnaround time for patient care.
Today, this system is going to put us on a road to achieving our goal. It allows for data to be easily stored, transferred for the purposes for treatment of patients, for teaching and learning, and for research.
The University Hospital undertook the conversion through a $1 million investment. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the system is a game-changing development for the administration of health care.
Anything we do has to translate to providing a better service for the people that we serve. To make it easier in terms of access, to improve the quality of that access.
Meanwhile, Dr. Tufton says government is far advanced in securing funding from the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, for the implementation of a health information system across the island. The health minister says a working plan, assisted by the Pan-American Health Organization, PAHO, is now completed and funding should be secured before the end of the financial year. He says the functionality of the University Hospital's information management system will help to guide how government will implement its health information system to connect the remaining 23 hospitals and major health centers.
We have over 200 missions, for example, that come to Jamaica. Many of them come do very complicated surgeries. The pre and the post care sometimes is left after they leave Jamaica. Technology allows for that. We have doctors who are specialists who are concentrated in points of the country. We want to provide services to patients in the remote parts of the country. Instead of them traveling, we leverage that platform to give that kind of support. That is the vision. That is the practical application of a vision that we must have and we must embrace of a health information system.
Work is progressing as planned on the new Portmore Municipal building, scheduled for completion in February 2019. The $190 million development will improve the level of services to the people of Portmore and surrounding areas. During a tour of the site on Friday, Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie said additional funds of between $15 and $30 million would be provided to ensure the completion of the project.
I am really pleased on the quality of the work that is being undertaken by the contractors. I'm hoping that on completion, this will now raise the bar, because when people operate in an environment that is not conducive to proper service delivery, then they have excuse for not delivering.
The Municipal Corporation currently occupies rented premises at the Portmore Pines Plaza. The new structure will provide a more comfortable working environment for the staff, mayor and deputy mayor. The overall development plan includes 2 floors and an attic, LED lighting and solar street lighting, access for the physically challenged, a car park and water harvesting facility. And finally, Irish potato farmers are being urged to have their farms certified in order to benefit from the export market. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Agriculture, J.C. Hutchinson, says meeting international and local standards are a sure way of expanding their farms and income. Minister Hutchinson says the standards also allow for the production of safe foods.
You are going to have your crops certified. Every one of you who are growing anything, you are going to have that crop monitored, whereby they are going to check every chemical you use, every fertilizer you use, even the water that you use on your crop. They are going to come and check it, and if it cannot be certified, you are not going to be able to sell it.
Minister Hutchinson was speaking at the 2018 Irish Potato Farmers Conference in Guys Hill recently. He had high praises for the farmers in the Guys Hill belt for their 30% contribution to the productive yield of Irish potatoes in the 2017-2018 crop year. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.